and you don't have to always have like a concrete, wow, my eyebrows are dark. Good morning. I thought I would take you guys along with me for a productive day in my life while I get my stuff together. I finished my first week of school this week and I woke up at 6 this morning and I finished editing a video and I posted up a vlog. And basically I was just a lazy potato from there, and it's 11 right now. I have a couple of hours to kill and I'm gonna fix all of this. Still trying to recover from vacation, and yeah, we need to get our stuff together. So I pretty much cleaned my desk. I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup and drinking some coffee. I think when it comes to being productive, having like a small to-do list for yourself is really good. It's really helpful. What helps me not get overwhelmed is to time block and allowing myself a certain amount of time to work on one task. I used to always find myself editing or filming or doing one certain thing for too long, and then I don't have time for the other stuff I need to do. So time blocking really helps out, and you don't have to always have like a concrete, wow, my eyebrows are dark. It helps to kind of have an idea of like how much time you actually need for each task. Like small stuff like cleaning or organizing, doing like those small tasks, they don't really take a lot of time. On days when I have a lot of stuff going on, my #1 priority is always school first, because in the long run, that's what is going to get me ahead. So I also make YouTube a priority as well. So if I have, you know, videos I need to upload, if I have homework that I need to do, homework always comes first. I always block out extra time for that because I know that I take a longer amount of time to do that. And then during my breaks, my study breaks, I'll usually like edit or do something that doesn't require a lot of like brain energy. With editing videos and stuff, I do love editing a lot. It's something that's actually really therapeutic for me. Sometimes it gets a little stressful, but it's like a fun kind of stress. I'm always figuring out new ways to edit, new things I like to do with my videos. And when I do film multiple videos in a day, I kind of have like an idea of what I want to wear for each video, because it helps when you have everything planned out and outlined for you. So if you want to save time, let's say you're also a content creator, like I think it helps me to know what exactly I'm going to be talking about, so that way I'm not rambling on the camera and not knowing like what I'm doing. So yeah, hopefully that kind of makes a little sense. So I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll talk to you guys after I film. Hello. So I just finished filming a video. I'm about to film another one, but I'm having quick lunch break, having some ramen. I'm just thinking about my YouTube schedule, my uploading schedule right now, and I'm just writing down some notes and also just brainstorming some more ideas that I want to do. So I ended up not filming another video because my neighbors upstairs are like way too loud. I think they're just moving in or something, which is fine because I technically did film 2 videos today, and I'm going to get ready to go now. I'm gonna change, and now it's time to really focus on my school stuff for the rest of the day and hope that I get everything done. everybody, we are back home now. The cafe that we went to actually did not have Wi-Fi, so I couldn't really get much work done since a lot of my homework and my reading is all online. But I did start planning my month and my work schedule for the next couple of weeks, and I also started on outlining my bullet journal for February. I'm gonna start working on my actual homework now. I have an early morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get everything done within the next couple of hours. Just want to make sure I'm balancing my time and really prioritizing. I always try to knock out at least a couple of the bigger tasks right away, and since I'm dreading it, I might as well get those done first so that way I can move on to the fun stuff. Okay, I changed my outfit so I'm more comfortable and everything, and I like to make sure that my desk is pretty clear of distractions, so I make sure I don't have any of my makeup up here. Or I also like to have like water or something next to me so that I can stay hydrated. Hello everyone, so just a quick update. It's been about an hour and I've been at this. I'm at the end now, but of this first assignment anyways, but I haven't done statistics since high school. It's only a pre-test, but it's just now I'm like nervous because I haven't done this in so long, and I'm like, wow, this is hard. I'm gonna finish this up, and then once I do the grading for it, I'm gonna take a quick break before I move on to the next task. Hopefully it's not too much. I have like a little to-do list on my mirror here. Okay, so things didn't go as planned. Been at this for like 2 hours math homework, so I'm gonna take a break because I'm becoming a little brain dead, and I'm gonna move on to the next task. I really need to order some textbooks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Some of these textbooks are gonna be on reserve at my school library, so I'm gonna check that out and see if I can make copies of the pages that we need, so that way I can save some more money. Today was payday, so I need to consolidate my paycheck and do some budgeting. So if you guys watched my last video, I kind of briefly mentioned that I did some planning for my budgeting with an estimated amount, including the money that I received for my birthday and for Christmas. So I'm looking at the numbers now, and I'm looking at what amount I have right now since today was payday. I'm really happy that I was able to do an estimated amount that was smaller than what I was getting paid, so that way I can budget everything out correctly and also have some extra money in case I want to put more into savings or put more towards my debt. I'm gonna write out an actual budget now using the real numbers that I have. I'm just gonna continue to do this and probably call it a night, but I just wanted to thank you guys for being productive with me today. I hope you guys get some time to get some stuff done. I always feel super duper good when I have a lot of things done and I'm getting my life back on track, even though I felt like I kind of lived under a rock for a few days, but it's fine, we're getting back on track. If you're having a tough time staying motivated to stay with your to-do list, just think about how good it'll feel when you're done, and if you do it now, you won't have to stress about it later. That's what I like to think about. That's what keeps me going. And also, I just really like to organize stuff, so when I know that my lists, my to-do list and everything is all crossed off, it's so satisfying. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know if you guys would like to see more Get Productive with Me vlogs. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!